Today I'm sharing with you a recipe that is a hamburger helper alternative so that you don't have to use a mix or powders. You can make it all from scratch. So in this recipe there's going to be hamburger, onion, you can use a fresh onion or dehydrated onion, and tomato sauce, macaroni noodles, cheese, corn, and I'm going to use chili lime seasoning and also some Penzi chili powder and some cumin. So now I'm going to I'll put it in a time lapse so you can watch it, and I will have a printable recipe page that you can print if you'd like to make this. Anyway, enjoy and bon appetit. Namaste.